www.worldofitech.com. How to create a Fiverr account. If you've not created a Fiverr account yet and are looking for a complete tutorial towards Fiverr sign up, this tutorial will then help you with some basic techniques and avoid some common mistakes while you create a Fiverr account. Why is Fiverr sign up necessary? If you want to sell or buy any service on Fiverr, then creating an account is compulsory. Otherwise, you'll not be capable of performing any activity on Fiverr. Ask 5 questions to yourself before Fiverr sign up. Before signing up to Fiverr, we hope you've got the answers to the following questions, asking to none other than yourself. 1. Why I'm creating a Fiverr account. 2. Have I studied Fiverr TOS at least 4 times? 3. What skills do I have to sell on Fiverr? 4. Do I have the required resources, i.e. internet, computer and motivation and many others? 5. Can I communicate with someone confidently, i.e. in English? If you found positive answers to those questions, let's move ahead. How to create Fiverr account. Step 1. Click Join through the Fiverr homepage. Step 2. Put a valid email address with and click on Continue. Important note: you also can sign up through your Facebook or Google Connect accounts, however it's not a preferable approach. Step 3. Choose a valid username and set up your strong password and click Join. Remember, your username is 15 characters lengthy and can't comprise special characters. Important note: once a username is chosen, it can't be changed until you delete your present profile, so take it slow deciding on a wise username. Prefer the use of your real name as a Fiverr username. If not available, suggest using one that best describes your niche. For instance, in case you want to sell graphic services, you should use usernames like Graphic Services, Graphics Ideas, and so on. Step 4. Now, you're a registered Fiverr person. Fiverr sends you a confirmation mail at your provided email address. Click Activate your account, and you're all carried out with the Fiverr sign up. Important note: this confirmation email will be valid for 30 days. If you sign up after 30 days, click Resend, and you will get another email active for verifications for the next 30 days. This is about how to create a Fiverr account. And I really hope that you have learned something from this tutorial. And if you like this tutorial, then give a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, then give a thumbs down. And also share your opinion about this tutorial. What do you think about it? And if you think that this tutorial will help some of your friends, then do share this tutorial with them. And also you can subscribe to our channel. If you want to watch more tutorials like this, and if you subscribe to our channel, then press the bell icon to get new tutorial updates. Feel free to leave us your suggestions in the comment section below. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in next tutorial.